Hello and welcome to Financeable. On this new video on how to log in into Eastern Finance mutual fund account. So if you are new, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice, and in the top of the web browser there is a search bar. Just click on the search bar and you just have to type Eastern Finance mutual fund login and press enter in the keyboard, and the search results will be shown to you. You just have to click on the first search result, that's register with Eastern Finance. Create your account. Just click on it and their interface will be shown to you, and this is the login portal. And if you haven't created your account, then below the login button there is an create your account now text. You can just click on that text and you will be able to register and create your new account. You just have to follow through the processes and instruction provided you by Eastern Finances, and you will be able to create a new account, and they will redirect you to the login portal where you need to enter your PAN or your mobile number. After that, you need to enter your password and click on the login button, and you will be able to log in. And if you have forgotten your password, just below the password box there is a forget password text, and you can just click there and retry and change the password. And when you have retried it, just fill in the password in password box and click on the login button, and you will be able to log in successfully. So this is how you can easily log in into Eastern Finance mutual fund account. So if this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.